Do you want to learn the fundamentals of what it takes to really make a living online? If so, stay with me because I've got something special in my review of Mick McKay's Let's Make Money. Before we get Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and then make money online niche because I don't want you to end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
You know, Bart, I'm just going to ignore you because this is ridiculous. It's unacceptable. Go back to The Simpsons. I'm ignoring him. He does this every time. It's so irritating. Now, the way things work is if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Yeah, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset as well as entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. And you see, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. She has a place here as long as she wants, even though she says the same thing every single day. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So we are on the sales page for Let's Make Money. It's a very basic sales page, very different than what I usually see, actually. Not a whole lot of fancy stuff. You can see the price here is $10. It does go up every single sale, so make sure you get it as soon as possible if you do want to pick this up. And basically, it's a very, very simple product. It's really just a report, about 50 pages long. And what Mick does here is he cuts out the fluff, doesn't go with some new technique or the latest shtick, to use a word that some of you hopefully know. Just it's the basic stuff, the stuff that you really need if you really want to be able to make money online. This is the basic stuff that you really need to understand, that you really need to just get into it in order to be able to really make some money online. Now, members area, there's not a whole lot to see, so I'm not even going to bother showing you the members area. But I do want to tell you a little bit about my bonuses that are included when you pick this up through my link. So you're getting my custom sales techniques video. Now, just so you understand who I am, before I got into doing affiliate marketing, I was one of the top salesmen in my office. I used to do phone sales. I was one of the top salesmen. I broke records repeatedly. And so I do know a thing or two about sales, and sales is really what it's all about when it comes to making money online. Also, it's not all that different. I'm also going to send you my email secrets video, which is really, really important, because ultimately making money online means writing good quality emails that people are actually going to read and want to click on. I'm going to send you my buyers list method video, which is really cool. This is a secret method that I came up with to get together a buyers list completely for free. I'm going to send you my video about how to write great headlines. I'm going to send you my video on crushing affiliate promotions. This is huge. And I'm going to send you my mega list building report as well. So all this, and it costs you $10. It's really a no-brainer as far as all the bonuses. It's not hyperbole for me to say these are worth hundreds of dollars, these bonuses. I know that some people make up ridiculous numbers. I've seen people say $60,000 worth of bonuses. That's ridiculous. It's not $60,000 worth of bonuses, but it's easily worth a couple $100, okay? Because these are the techniques that I use in order to build a six-figure income. I'm doing regularly, on average, over $10,000 per month in sales as an affiliate and as a vendor. And the reason I'm able to do that is because of the techniques that I'm going to teach you in these things, and the techniques that Mick is going to teach you in his report. So there's not a whole lot to say here, because basically, there's no fluff here. There's nothing here that's going to make you say, oh my God, oh, I have to have this. This is the basic stuff that you really need to know. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
Tip of the giant hat, sir.
And to you, sir.
So just like he said, yes, tip of my hat to you. Thank you. Yes, Mick, great job. I honestly was a little bit nervous about this because it is a PDF, but you know what? It's a PDF that's packed with a lot of useful information, And for $10, it's definitely worth picking it up because it's going to give you the fundamentals that you really need in order to build yourself an online business. It's not going to give you a lot of fluff. It's not going to give you the latest flavor of the week. It's going to give you the basics that you need in order to build an online business. And that's really, really important. So go ahead and grab it. You are going to love it.